Hey everyone, and welcome back to Zendesk Unlocked. Today, we're going to be flying through some of the most useful Zendesk keyboard shortcuts, so let's get straight to it. It's widely agreed that learning and using keyboard shortcuts can be a massive time saver compared to repeatedly reaching for the mouse, especially when you're using a message-based platform like Zendesk. To kick you off, first let's try these. To jump from anywhere in Zendesk straight to your views, the heart of the action, try Control-Alt-V. On a Mac, you're going to be replacing the Control with Command on some of these. Control-Alt-N creates a new ticket from anywhere in Zendesk, saving you a bunch of time navigating to the Add Ticket button. Once in the ticket user interface, Control-Alt-M allows you to instantly access your full list of macros. And when you're done working on a ticket, there's a bunch of shortcuts that allow you to submit it and move on to the next ticket without ever lifting your hands from the keyboard. Control-Alt-O submits the ticket as open. Control-Alt-P submits the ticket as pending. Control-Alt-S, you guessed it, submits the ticket as solved. Try it out now. Here's a bonus one. When writing replies to the customer, highlight the text and hit Control-K to insert a link. These shortcuts are on by default in Zendesk, but if they're not working for you, try clicking your profile image in the top right corner, then Help, then Keyboard Shortcuts, and make sure that this tick box is checked to allow keyboard shortcuts to work on your account. Want the full list on the fly? Just type a question mark anywhere in Zendesk and you'll get that full list of keyboard shortcuts right there for you to reference. That's it. Save time by working smarter and let us know your favorite keyboard shortcuts in the comment section below.